my god, guys, aren't we back in the same place? Oh! Oh!
Oh! It's all coming together now.
I never knew this, bro. I literally just followed you guys.
It's not that I was high, but I was just far out.
Devin, stop, bro. I'm trying to get here, man. I'm trying. Oh my god, what the heck? Bro, you were floating on my screen.
Is this the right way or is this the way we came from?
I don't know. Man, don't ask me.
I don't think we're supposed to go down that waterfall, so y'all should try
No,
and hop
I
in
think
this-
we do
or
go down
hop on
that
this ladder
waterfall.
before we go
No,
over.
I think we do. I think we do. I'll go down there, okay? Cause I think we do go down this waterfall. I think
Oh, yeah,
we
you can
do.
jump for it.
I
Oh my god,
think
who's in the
so.
boat with Michaela?
I think. Oh,
Olivia?
I'm stuck. Whoa.
Oh my god! Oh!
Woo!
Yep.
They're looking pretty fucking dead. Oh my god. Alright, B, we got this. You take the left two, I'll take the right two. You ready? Go. Oh, you know what? I think there's some on the other side. Let me look up here real quick, and then I'll take that bridge. Ah! Oh no!